please do spare a moment to hit the red subscribe button and also the bell notification icon to get notifications about our future updates.
Hey there YouTube, this is MCSP with a new video, and this video is all about the leaks that I've got about Google Pixel 3 XL. So what you're seeing now is the back side of the phone, Google Pixel 3 XL, and it doesn't seem like it is having a dual cam. I don't know whether this is a 100% trust source, but we can see that this image is just annoys me. It is very annoying to see that the Google Pixel 3 XL will be coming with a single cam in the back. But we cannot say that this will be the worst thing about Google Pixel, because picking the Pixel 2, we could see that a single cam has been outstanding. All other cameras, or most of the cameras that we could get in a 2K18 flagship phones. So I cannot judge the camera, the quality of the camera, by just looking at the backside of the phone. It doesn't have a color variation on the backside, just like the other Google Pixel phones. It has a flashlight. It is pretty good with the Google symbol at the bottom of the phone, just like the Google Pixels 2. And we can see the specs and features of the phone. Model Google Pixel 3 XL, platform Android AR64. It comes with Android 9, that is 500 Pi, CPUs Qualcomm processor, and it is having Adreno 630 GPUs and 4 cores which packs 1.77 kilohertz, and cluster 2 which packs 4 cores with 2.80 kilohertz. It has a resolution of 1440 to 2960 pixels with 494 pixels per inch. It is having 4G. It comes with a 4GB RAM. That must be the thing that is in memory over here. This is all that I've got about this phone, because the leaker have recently released these pictures and he claims that this is a Google Pixel 3 XL. The front side of the phone, we can see the notch, and that is something that is very annoying to look at, because it is a pretty bad notch in the phone. It is in the expected position, but the size is too big. It is having a lot of thickness and very small in its length. That is what we have got about the Google Pixel 3 XL. And also something inside the box, we can see earbuds. This is what they are calling a earbuds that is present inside the box of the Google Pixel 3 XL. As we can see, the Pixel 3 XL is placed over here, and then we can see a USB type C cable, and OTG and audio play. That means that the phone will not have a headphone jack, because they're supplying additional audio input cable. That must be in an OTG cable, I believe. We can see the earphones over here, earbuds, and it says been Pixel 364. I'm sorry, I'm not able to read that. And some code, something like date. It was released on 8/8/2018. 2018. So this is what I've got about the Google Pixel 3 XL. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and also click the bell notification icon to get updates about our future videos, so that you will get updated about the latest leaks and other tech gadgets or something like that, because that is what my channel is all about. Like, share, comment. Thank you. MCSPM signing off.